Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to set up Claude in Excel. Start by opening Microsoft Excel on your computer or go to Excel on the web using your browser. Make sure you are signed into your Microsoft account so you can access add-ins. Once Excel is open, look at the top menu and click on the Home tab. On the far right side of the ribbon, you will see a button labeled Add-ins. It usually has an icon with 4 small squares. Click on that button to open the Office Add-in Store. In the Add-in Store, you will see a search bar. Click into the search bar and type Claude or Claude by Anthropic. Press Enter and wait for the results to load. Look for the official Claude listing in the results. When you find it, click the Add button next to it. A small window may appear asking you to confirm. Click Continue to proceed with the installation. After a few moments, the add-in will be added to your Excel. Next, check if the Claude sidebar opens automatically. If it does not, go back to the Home tab and look for the Claude icon in the ribbon. Click on it to open the sidebar manually. In the sidebar, click the Login button. Enter your Claude account email and password to sign in. Keep in mind that a paid subscription such as Pro, Max, Team, or Enterprise is usually required for this feature to work. After logging in, you may see a prompt asking for permission. Click Authorize to allow Claude to access your spreadsheet data. Thanks for watching.